Manipur government says drug addiction is worrisome. And cookies observe Cookie Black Day massive peace rally staged. Good afternoon, this is Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah said youth today is a major resource for not only development of financial prosperity but for social changes as well. However, despite holding such importance, their energy is still not being channelized in right direction. Speaking during the 3rd State Level Youth Convention organized by Service Bridge Agency at the Raj Bhavan Darbar Hall, Dr. Najma further said youth empowerment can catalyze major social developments like poverty eradication, good education standard, good governance and crime reduction. The governor also mentioned the effects of drugs among the youth. Drugs addiction is worrisome. The worst thing about being addicted to drug is that it affects the youth miserably. Unfortunately, Manipur is one of the states substantially affected by drug trafficking and its concomitant issues. Ganja and poppy are widely cultivated and poverty is the key factor which drives unemployed locals to take to such cultivation. Seeing the gravity of this menace, I have taken an initiative for the state government to co-host with the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime Regional Office for South Asia a 2-day regional international conference cum meeting on the theme Comprehensive Approach to Combating Illicit Trafficking of Afghan Opiates and Drug Situation in the Northeast at Raj Bhavan, Imphal on September 30 to October 1st. She said, representatives from 6 South Asian countries and 7 states of the Northeast will congregate to hold brainstorming deliberations on issues relating to drug trafficking and drug abuse. She urged the youth to stand up against the scourge of drug abuse, which is detrimental to the prospects of the young generation. Hill Tribal Council More organized Cookie Black Day today. Remembering the day, NSC and IM allegedly brutally killed hundreds of Cookie people and burned down their villages. A massive peace rally was taken out at More town to mark the day. The rally, which started from More Gangam Lentwall ground, passed through More police station, Nepali Basti, Kanan Wang, More market and finally culminated at the Hill Tribal Council office. The protesters, which held placard which read framework agreement is as dark as negative impact of drug abuse, no Naga solution before justice for cookies, punished the murderers of 1000 cookie, leave and let leave. Later, the council submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister of India through Technopal Deputy Commissioner. The council had urged public to stop vehicular movement from 6 am to 1 pm today. Markets, shops, hotels and business establishments were shut down in More town, bordering Myanmar due to the Black Day observation. Vehicular movement along Imphal More Road were suspended. Police tightened security to avoid unwanted incidents during the observation. Under the Civic Action Program, 109 Battalion Central Reserve Police Force CRPF today distributed 20 water storage tanks to Mongsangai residents during a program held at the community hall of Mongsangai Makalekai, Imphal West. The 5th Lamyanba Hijam Irawat Ningsing Sport Painting Competition will be held on 29th of this month at Kwakaithel Girls High School located at Kwakaithel Bazaar, Imphal. The painting competition will be organized by Apunba Iraipa Ki Mahirol Singanglup. Time for a short break, stay tuned.
Hello Food Express na adom adongi matam manghandana home delivery tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Ngasi mak hojingmak adom na adongi mobile da click ani khak nambiduna Hello Food Express ki apps asibu hapchinbiu. Apps asigi matengna adongi apamba chaningba chanaba makhalsing anakpa amadi arapada leiriba Manipur gi apamba hotel singdagi mahau leina chabiu.
Atenba matamgi manungda apamba sanaba makhalsing Hello Food Express na vijariba home delivery ki khudongchaw silobi.
Hello Food Express, your favorite food delivery.
Kangla food product ti iram dong ya seng ma mahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatanatana Kangla gi no food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi do kana bu leibagi.
Kangla.
Welcome back. A team of Thoubal police under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Thoubal District Dr. S. Ibomcha busted an illegal liquor dealer house at Thoubal, Athokpong, Awang Leka yesterday. According to a report, the police team also nabbed one person over the incident besides seizing 126 bottles of illicit liquor, 873 empty labelled bottles, a 20-litre jerry can filled with chemical and other related items during the raid. A suspected IED was exploded last night near a rented house at Kurai Ahong Lekai of Imphal East. According to reports, it is learned that the rented house is owned by Thingbaijam Bihari, a retired doctor. The rented house is currently occupied by a non-Manipuri. However, no casualties were reported in the explosion. A case has been registered at Parompad police station over the incident. Nagaland Agriculture Minister G. Kaito Ai said the central government has introduced an old age scheme for small landholding and marginal farmers in the country called Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana. The PYKMY is a voluntary contribution pension scheme and individuals in the age group of 18 to 40 years may register for the scheme. It will provide a monthly pension of Rs 3,000 after the registered farmers attain 60 years of age. There is a good news for Indian students going to Britain for studying, as the UK government has announced a new 2-year post-study work visa expanding opportunities for brilliant international students to build successful careers in the UK. The new graduate route will be open to all international students, including those from India, as per sources. Time for another break. Keep watching.
Nupani kaina kumai harau za atek pubide leishari ngaidana aduda puniga dahada puniga
ngasi de keno
yare nung phadoksu koi bu bibado akhoi di phangjadrabani
ngai khone ai wasisu yam nungai pauni ne ahum lak suba langbal kaithel pangthok kadori
atidi kaida
hapta kan jimuda
asengwira
mane
DS Enterprises Kaisam Thongna Khodol Tamliba Ahumlak Suboina Pangthok Kadoriba Langbal Kaithel Meet the Star Fashion Show Dance Competition Tapta Night Musical Night Amadi Angang Singidamakta Oina Disneyland Item na Singba Kaya na miyamda kumay oihangadoriba Ahum Suba Langbal Kaithel
atidi yam nungai ni
adi miyam do nangonda ne yengba chalusena ne haige toriba
Welcome back. Mizo Zirlai Paul, MZP, Mizoram's apex and most influential students' body, strongly opposed to the intervention from outsiders on the issue of repatriation of Bru refugees. The students' body expressed strong disapproval of a group of people from Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra under the banner of Bharat Hitaraksha Abhiyan, staging a demonstration in front of State Chief Minister Zoramthanga's bungalow on Bru-related issues. More than 100 people belonging to Bharat Hitaraksha Abhiyan staged demonstration in front of Chief Minister's bungalow and demanded cluster villages and other privileges for the Bru people when they are repatriated back to Mizoram. Meanwhile, the state government is in a mission mode to repatriate over 4,400 Bru families from Tripura in October this year. New Delhi's blacklist of Sikh foreign nationals who were banned from travelling to India has been reduced from 314 to just 2. A senior Home Ministry official who did not want to be named said on Friday. The 312 nationals taken off the blacklist will now be eligible to get Indian visa and the overseas Indian card. The official said and added, all foreign missions have been informed about the change. The decision to whittle down the list was taken after a review of threats posed by these people to India. During 1980s, when the militant movement for a separate Sikh homeland was at its peak, many Sikh Indian nationals and foreign nationals belonging to Sikh community fell to anti-India propaganda. Some of them even fled India to escape Indian authorities, became foreign nationals and took asylum outside India. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said that the situation in Jammu and Kashmir risks sparking an accidental war. Speaking to journalists on the sidelines of the UN Human Rights Council session in Geneva on Wednesday, Qureshi said he believed both Pakistan and India understand the consequences of a conflict. But he added that an accidental war cannot be ruled out. If the situation persists, then anything is possible, he said. He said United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights Michelle Bachelet was keen to visit the region. Now time for the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, crackdown launch on driving by minors, traffic rules violators, undertakings from parents of underage drivers secured. The Rongmei Naga Students Organization Manipur for details of Khongsang Tamenglong Road work. Mary Kom, first women athlete proposed for Padma Vibhushan. Biswajit bats for e-visa facility. The People's Chronicle, new Motor Vehicle Amendment Act drives many to apply for license across state. Posers raised over ST status demand. MP Ranjan exhorts media to monitor government activities. Baby Sana's family ready to depose. Imphal Free Press, released on bail more than 2 months back. 4 individuals still behind bars. MPs Loho Foze and RK Ranjan unite to help Chadong village. Road condition of new Chadong village site remain hajadas. Student body bans Khongsang Tamenglong road construction. Court rejects bail plea of 2 hostel wardens. Forum opposes CAB, urges centre not to give rhetorical assurances only. The Morning Bell, court summons 5 corpses accused in fake encounter to appear on October 17th. Baby Sana death case, bail plea of head warden of Standard Robert School rejected. Police foils attack on rap accused. Illegal liquor manufacturing unit busted. Minister Nemcha Kipgan loads 181 Women Helpline Manipur. Manipur Mail, Press Information Bureau Imphal organizes media workshop. MP wants media to work at grassroots level. Mary Kom recommended for Padma Vibhushan. Nemcha loads 181 Women Helpline.
Now before we wrap up the top stories once again. Manipur government says drug addiction is worrisome. And cookies observe Cookie Black Day, massive peace rally staged. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.